yung Usana, it's a US company and it's all about health. This is another product ng Usana, okay, which is all about macronutrition. So, for today, yan lahat yung mga pag-uusapan natin. Paano maging healthy?
Before I saw Usana, marami na akong products na nakikita sa market. Kasi nga nutritionist ako eh. So usually they consult, pwede po ba to? Pwede po ba to sa akin? So before ako mag-yes, I had to make sure na dumaan niya sa mga studies. So ang maganda with Usana, these are doctor approved. So I was confident enough na maganda yung products ng Usana. So if people can invest on gadgets, why not invest on your health?
Ito po ipo-point out ko. I never deprived myself of what I want to eat. So with the help of Nutrimeal, natuto ako na ayusin yung eating habits ko. And then nag-start po ako little by little na ibalik yung physical activity hanggang sa maging regular po yung mga exercise. It's not a diet, it's a lifestyle change.
So we will be learning, no, yung iba't ibang mga fruits na pwede natin gamitin for our nutrients. Ready na? Okay, so to serve! I think this is the perfect time, di ba? Nabigyan mo ng pagkakataon mo yung health mo makarecover. Sa lahat ng mga toxic na makinain mo, sa stress, di ba? Super refreshing.
Yummy.
Sarap ng bata.
I like strawberry with banana.
Yeah!
This is the best.
Out of 5 star.
5.
Grabe, 5 star yun!
Check out